Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact backup type you have: PC backup file, Smart Switch Mobile Backup, or cloud. This determines the sequence. Connect the target phone with the original cable or reliable Wi-Fi hotspot and make sure the battery is above 50%. Once connected, unlock the device and allow permissions when the system prompts. Make sure to close other heavy apps to avoid interruptions. Start Smart Switch on the host, PC, or phone, and choose Restore. You're now ready to select the backup to load. You'll now pick the specific backup snapshot and the data categories you want to restore. Tap or click Contacts, Messages, Apps, Photos, and System Settings as needed. Choose Full or Selective Restore. Once started, watch transfer indicators and ensure the connection stays active. If using USB, avoid unplugging. If using Wi-Fi, pause other network activities. Make sure the device screen remains on and do not interrupt Smart Switch. When app reinstall begins, grant any permissions to allow background installation and data reconciling. Once the transfer finishes, you should verify critical items immediately, open messages, photos, and contacts, and sample apps to confirm data integrity. Reboot the device to let system services reindex restored files, then sign back into accounts and update apps from the store to restore tokens and permissions. If something failed, try the simple fixes. Retry with the PC-based Smart Switch, swap the USB cable or port, or perform the restore in safe mode to avoid third-party interference. That single troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.